Okay. Hello, Venu this side. In this video, I am explaining how to solve this issue, especially Python worker exited with crash error. What is this meaning? Usually, if you have either large amount of data or if you have very small amount of memory, at that time, maybe you have 2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB like that, small issues. At that time, some rare cases only, you will get this error. How to solve this error? Okay, simple. When you are processing the data, increase the partition size. In this scenario, what happened here? If you enter comma, by default, it is how many partitions you will get? 2 partitions. Maybe large data or small amount of memory you have, increase. Above it is highlighted, min partitions. If I increase into 1000 partitions, what happened? At that time, very small partitions created, then you can easily Spark able to process that very easily. Okay, that's why either what is the main reason, either you are using very large data or you have very small amount of memory. Now please check everything you are able to read. Okay, that's why. So in this scenario, what are you doing here? Replace these double quotes or replace all these things in process. Everything you can do it, but main problem data. I think you got blueprint. If you have any doubts, comment below, and Max, I will try my level best to explain. Thank you.